So I keep hearing from all these agents about how the market has cooled down, how we have in Massachusetts reached a plateau, and that the market is going to start to not fall in most areas, but it's going to plateau and the growth is going to slow significantly. With a lot of uncertainty with elections and all that stuff. And beyond that, we've had about 6 years of growth. One year after another, just keeps going up. In some areas, 8 to 10 to 12% annually. So we as real estate agents say intuitively, okay, that means the market has reached a height where it's not going to continue to go up the way that it has, and it's going to plateau. But what do the numbers say? We can say that all we want, but what do the numbers say? So here's an idea of what the market was in 2015 at this exact same time, October 2015 versus October 2016. In October 2015, there were 24,916 properties on the market. This year, 2016, there are 20,083 properties on the market. That is a decrease of 20%. We're talking about 5,000 fewer properties on the market today, this time of year, than the exact same time last year in 2015. And the properties are going off the market just as fast now as they were back then. So the demand is still there, but the amount of properties isn't. And it's not like we had a lot of inventory last year. That wasn't our problem, too much inventory. We didn't have enough. And now that's decreased. So the supply has gone down, the demand is still high, which would indicate that the market is not cooling off. Again, intuitively, as an agent, I say, well, the market has to cool off a little bit. I'm not expecting it to flip into a buyer's market overnight. It's still very much a seller's market. But it will plateau, and it could go down, and then it could rise up. But right now, can it really continue to go up at 8 to 10 to 12% annually for 16, for 17, for 18? The cooling effect has to come in because we don't want to get into another bubble, which will be the case if we continue to go down this road. So the numbers say one thing, and yet our intuition says another thing. Supply and demand dictates that prices will continue to rise. And my intuition as a real estate agent says, how much higher can prices go? How much can people afford? That's to be determined, but as of right now, properties are still going up and the demand is still there.